guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Dary here again for you for another video regarding your eyebrows. So if you want to learn how to create a natural eyebrow look for any kind of look you're creating, or more bold eyebrow, which I don't have any right now but I will show you, then what you want to do is keep on watching, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's get onto it. Pow! Before we dive into the eyebrows, I want to give you guys a little bit more information what kind of products you can use for your own eyebrows, because they're not twins, but they're a sister. So depending on what kind of eyebrow you might have, you might need different products. So the first thing I want to tell you about to prime your eyebrows. Oh, here we go again. We need to prime everything. But to prime your eyebrows, you can use, there's two techniques that you can, well, there are actually three techniques that you can use, and two of them will give you the same result. So if you have thin eyebrows and you want them to look fuller, you can use something from Benefit. This is the conditioner primer. It's right here, this guy, and they will make it look more fuller. Now if you have eyebrows that are like, you have a couple of hair that don't like to be tamed, you can use a bar soap with a spoolie, one of these guys, top, and you can come through the bars. It has to be a bar soap, not like liquid soap or anything like that. And you will come through the bar soap a little bit and then just apply it. That's one technique. Now, if you want to use something that is not soap because you are not comfortable with soap, you can go to any drugstore and get like an eyebrow wax, and pretty much will do the same thing as the soap. Now let's talk about what kind of products you can use to give you more definition and color for your eyebrows. So what we have here, I don't have all of them, but I'll tell you, is there is a pencil that you can use to fill in your eyebrows. There's powders that you can use. If you're using an eyeshadow, I'll definitely stay with something that is more of a matte finish. Stay away from shimmers because then that won't look really nice. You can also use a gel, and you can use a pomade. Pomade, you have to be really careful. I wouldn't recommend that for beginners, but if you're a beginner, I would definitely recommend either a powder or a pencil where you have more control, and then if you mess up, you can just wipe it with your hands. While a pomade, it can go wrong really quickly. So those typically are the kind of products that you can use to fill in your eyebrows. Drugstores make really inexpensive products to fill in your brows. Natural eyebrow, I really don't go back in and clean it with concealer. Concealer is something that you might use if you want to have a bold eyebrow, and you can go in with any type of concealer that you're currently using right now. But when you want to make sure is that you use a concealer brush, preferably synthetic, something like this. Now if you're using a pomade or a powder, you want to make sure that the brush that you're using to fill in your eyebrows is more of an angle brush, and I have this one here, and this one is from Sephora brand. So that's all you need. Oh wait, I'm forgetting one thing. After you're done putting the products in your eyebrows, the next thing that you want to do is to set it with something so it stays in place. I use right now Ready Set and Bro from Benefit, but you can use anything else, or if you want to go back with your soap or wax, you can do that as well, so your eyebrows won't move from anywhere. Got it? Alright, now I'm going to show you on this side how to create a natural eyebrow, and then on this side how to create a more bold defined eyebrows, and I'll show you the products that I'll be using. So I'm going to start over here with the natural one. And what I'm going to be using for this is my Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil in the number 6. And what I'm going to do, I'm not going to prime my eyebrows just because I don't feel like it. You don't have to prime your eyebrows. if you don't want to. But if you don't have a lot of hair, or if you have hair that are like just going one direction, I'll definitely recommend priming your eyebrows before you apply any product. But for me, I just got my eyebrows waxed. Not waxed, I got them threaded, so I really don't need to do any of those two things. So I'm gonna go in, but the first thing that you want to do is just brush your eyebrows in the direction that they grow. And now, since I have that brushed, I am gonna start making a line from the center of my eye outward to where I want my eyebrow to finish. I'll never put any product at the beginning of my eyebrow. So you just want to go in, make that line on the bottom, and slightly, not a lot of pressure. So now I have that line there. I'm just gonna move the product upward so you can diffuse that line. And then if I want more, then I just keep doing the same thing. And that I feel like I have a good guide for right now. What I'm gonna do to fill in the eyebrows is I'm gonna do light hair strokes from, I'm still staying in the center of my eye outwards, and I'm gonna do the feather stroke going either up or this way, angled. Now over here, what we're gonna do, I'm not gonna make another line, I'm just gonna have light strokes, hairs, I wanna be here, with my pencil. So all I'm doing is, I have it at an angle because I don't like to go like this, just because I feel like you're applying too much pressure to your eyebrows. You don't want to do that, so I always go on the side. So I leave my eyebrows like this. It's not a big of a difference, as you can see from like this eyebrow that doesn't have anything compared to this one that has product, but it looks like, oh, she really has her eyebrows done or not? Like you can't tell, but it's like, yes I do. Yes I do. Now let's move on to this side. I'm gonna make it look more dramatic, fuller, intense, like all the nines. So as you can see here, I have like a little hair that is really annoying. So I am gonna go in with some soap. I'm just gonna take those hair upwards. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with my pencil first. Then I'm gonna go in with my pomade. And then any sticks that I make, I'm gonna go in with my concealer and fix it. So again, we just wanna follow our own natural line in the bottom. I usually don't fill my do a line up here, just because I like it when it diffuses into my skin, not like, I'm not a fan of that. You know what I mean? As you can see, I'm building up more color here. And again, I'm just trying to put more hair strokes in there. Like that for right now. So I'm gonna go in now with my pomade. Beverly Hills in the Ebony, I don't know. But it's like this. And then then I'm gonna also use my Sephora angled brush. And what I like to do, I like to wet my brush first. You can either use water, Fix Plus, literally slightly gonna tap it in on both sides, and then remove any excess in the corner. And we want to do the same thing, just going at an angle and just pushing those eyebrows, hairs upward at an angle. Bold eyebrow compared to more natural one, you can see it's darker, has more definition than compared to this one. But I'm gonna go in and clean this one up with a little bit of concealer. People, what they like to do, they like to clean all the way here, and then on top, I don't do my top, I just clean all the way over here, follow the same line here, or just this little guy here. And you don't want to go directly right where you did your line. You want to come a little bit down and then spread it out and then go in and buff it. So to buff that product in there, what I'm gonna go in with is a smaller synthetic brush. This is the final look, guys. This is more of a natural eyebrow, and this is more of a bold eyebrow look using different products in combination. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful for you and to let you know what kind of products you can use for your eyebrows that are catered for your skin type or your eyebrows hair. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell button down there so you know when I'm coming at you with another video. And thank you. So I'll see you next time.